Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the microphone sound test of the OnePlus Nord Buds CE. These are the earphones, so the entire sound is coming from here. Now this one does not have a sensor which detects if you're wearing it or not. So even if I remove it and talk with it, you'll still be able to hear me. So let me put this back. So this is the kind of sound that you'll get. So let's see. Let's test it in different scenarios and then see how good this is going to be. So let's start with the test. Just to show you how much wind this earphone will catch. Hopefully my sound is audible enough. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on but the visor open. So this will be an open face helmet scenario, whether you have the opening until here or maybe just like this. So this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get. So hopefully my sound is audible enough. Wind should not be a big issue because the mic is inside the helmet. But background sound and echo may be an issue. Hopefully my sound is audible enough. So this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on and the visor closed. So this is the closed helmet scenario. So in this scenario, generally there's a lot of echo because the mic is picking up your sound twice because it's echoing inside. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the water sound test now. So I am outside using small. It is raining right now. There are 70 water fountains near me. So a lot of water sound. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the water sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we are doing the traffic sound test now. So there's a lot of traffic, so waterlogging has happened. You can see there's water everywhere, so full of traffic. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're talking on the Nord. So Nord Buds, so the buds are here, so the entire sound that you're getting is from me. So hopefully my sound is audible enough. We are in the food court right now. There are a lot of people, a lot of sound around me from the machine, from the people, from the TV, from the music system and everything playing around me. So hopefully my sound is audible enough. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. So I actually like the performance for 2000 rupees. This is actually quite a good mic. In helmet scenario, there was a little bit of echo, so you just have to make sure you speak at a lower volume. You are not too loud. Then the echo will subside. Wind problem was there, but then that was on high speed. If I am going slow, then wind was not a big issue. So I actually like the performance for the price. Now coming to the fit, it actually fits any ear, but it will be loose for a lot of people who have big ears. So for me, this is actually quite loose. So you see, this just it'll just fall off anytime. So that's one thing I'm concerned about. Other than that, no issues with the earbud. You have other options. You have the regular earbud. This is the CE, which does not go inside the ears. The other one, the Nord Bud, actually goes in the ears, but that is a little more expensive than this. So if you have any further queries, you can always contact me. My information is available in the description and at the end of the video. And if you want to see the same video in a different language, I have two other channels, Hindi and Malayalam. I'll put the link for that in the description too, and you can see that too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.